shares in the company are known as shareholders. So now you have to understand, in general, once if you want to become a shareholder in any of the company, you have to pay a amount towards getting that share. But in Global Garner, what we decided was that we will make our distributors, our partners who are promoting Global Garner, our shareholders. Because in real sense, you really belong to the shareholder of this company, because you know this company in a much better way. Secondly, you know how to increase the share value also. Look, the best part of Global Garner's ecosystem is that you have the capacity to increase or even decrease the share value. Right? You stop performing, you do nothing, we are down. You put that small effort every day, and these shares will never come down. And these shares will make this company world's biggest organization in terms of market value also, the capitalization, what is said, right? The person who owns the company share is called a shareholder, and that shareholder is considered to be one of the owners of the company, right? Now, rights of the shareholder, it is not just mere shares that we are giving it to you. There are some rights also attached to it. It is not just, okay, we have just given you shares and you are just cannot have any right on the company. You have some rights. What are they? Right to bring legal action. So you have all the rights to bring any legal action into the company. If you see that anything is going wrong or maybe something which is bothering you, you have all the rights to bring the legal action. All the rights to attend and vote in the AGM, which is annual general body meeting. As a shareholder, you have all the rights to attend and also vote. Right to appoint company auditors. So let's say if company has appointed an auditor and you are not happy with you can also go for the change of auditors, or you can also appoint the auditors. Right to call for general meeting. So let's say annual general meeting has some time gap. So if as a shareholder you want that there is some urgency to bring in immediately a meeting, you can call for a general meeting, right? And you have all the right to direct the company to call for extraordinary general meeting also, right? So as a shareholder, you have some very strong rights in your hand. Right to get copies of financial statement. Don't believe in only what we say. You have all the rights to audit the financial statement of the company also. You have all the rights. As a company, we have to automatically send all the financial document of the company to the shareholders, but it's your right also to ask for it, right? Right to inspect corporate books and records of the company. Not only financial statement, but you can look into any matter company in corporate books also and records. Anything you can check as a shareholder. Look, when actually I was deciding on this factor, that we will make 10,000 shareholders. My CA told me that you are actually giving your head in वो कहते हैं क्या बोलते हो आप लोग उसको सांप के बिल में सर देना. Why? Because there might be any person who is a mischievous guy, and he can bring a lot of nonsense to you. But I told him that once I am making my working partners as my shareholders, I don't think so any father will challenge his child's fortune, no? Because you are building this company. You are not getting these shares by investing into this company. Investment is very small thing. Anybody can invest anywhere. But once you work for this company, it's almost 9:30 now, and we are sitting and talking about this company. You tell me even paid employees don't wait for after 7 p.m. Whereas we as an entrepreneur community, we are talking about Global Garner. We just finished Kerala and now we are sitting in Northeast. This can only happen once we are attached to this company. Until unless we are not attached to the company, we would never become a shareholder, because we have to work for the company. So therefore, we thought of that, yes, these rights are there. There might be some problem, but yes, in most of the cases, will not face any challenges, because all these people are the people who are actually creating this organization, right? Of course, as a shareholder, you have also a right to receive dividend. Whenever company declares a dividend, it is always mandatory for the company to distribute it equally to the shareholder of the company, right? Duties, yes, you have rights also, you have duties also, right? So duties to be in touch with other members of the company so that they can see the work progress of the company. So you have, of course, a duty to be in touch of the company. You cannot say, okay, I have not got this information and this and that. You will not get everything sitting at home. You have to be part of all our meetings and everything. Therefore, you will get all the information. Shareholders are not entitled to anything except for their ownership interest in the company. Of course, the amount of shares you will have in the company, that is your entitlement of profit into the company. Shareholders should not consider on matter of finance or other topic. Of course, shareholders are not responsible for any company debts. Look, this is again a good thing. आप कंपनी के प्रॉफिट में तो हिस्सेदार हैं बट उसकी उधारी में नहीं, right? So you are not part of any debt that company holds. Right? Shareholders should participate in, I think it is general. Now understand how many shares does Global Garner has. So Global Garner in totality has 5 lakh shares, correct? And we intend to give 1 lakh shares to our shareholders, to our team members by the way of their performance, right? So now our current share value as per our current valuation is 1.33 lakh rupees. Now there is also a confusion in our team that how can be one share has a cost of 1.33 lakh rupees. Please understand, as I said in starting, this is the percentage of share that you hold. Once we will go for an IPO, we will bring the per share value to almost 100 to 200 bracket. So what will happen to at that time? Your shares will be, bonus shares will be given to you. It will happen like, let's say we want to bring that share value to, let's say 100 rupees. So now your 10 shares will be converted multiple of that 100 rupee. Your end result would be 1,33,000, but your number of shares will be more. Correct? So I hope this point many of you would have, many of your team members also would have not understood. So this is how shares will be divided once we go for an IPO. Currently, you can just state that this is just a percentage of shares that you hold. So let's say if you have 10 shares and today company has 5 lakh shares, tomorrow, let's say we multiply and get into 5 crore shares. So whatever multiple we have done to company shares, same multiple will be done to your shares. So let's say if we have multiplied it by 1,000, your shares will also be multiplied by 1,000. So your 10 shares will become 10,000 shares. I hope this point is clear because many a times people misunderstand this, that how can a company's share can be 1.33 lakh rupees per share. So it is currently a percentage. Yeah, Pradeep bhai.
A little bit of Hindi explanation of that point will be good.
Okay. The problem with me is that I convert my Hindi into English.
No problem.
Okay. So, okay. So my point was, यहाँ पे आपको जो 1.33 लाख हम वैल्यू बोलते हैं पर शेयर, कई बार क्या होता है लोगों को कंफ्यूजन होता है, यार ये ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है कि आप मेरा एक शेयर 1,33,000 रुपए का हो गया. सो प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड इट इज द परसेंटेज ऑफ शेयर्स दैट यू होल्ड नाउ. जब हम अपना आईपीओ लाएंगे तो हम इसका ब्रैकेट कर देंगे 100 से 200 रुपए के बीच में, जिससे एक नॉर्मल इन्वेस्टर भी इन्वेस्ट करे हमारे आईपीओ में. नाउ लेट्स से एट दैट टाइम हम अपने शेयर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करें. लेट्स से आज की डेट में हम 5 लाख शेयर्स हैं, उस समय हम मान लीजिए 5 करोड़ कर दें, तो वी हैव मल्टीप्लाइड आवरसेल्फ बाय 1000. सो नंबर ऑफ शेयर्स दैट यू होल्ड आल्सो विल मल्टीप्लाई बाय 1000 बिकॉज द एंड रिजल्ट विल रिमेन सेम, that you have this much value in your shares. So I hope ये पॉइंट क्लियर होता है आप लोगों को, बिकॉज ये बहुत बार मैं जहां भी जाता हूं ये कंफ्यूजन रहता है So at that moment, जितने भी हमारे शेयर्स होंगे, जितना भी हम शेयर्स ऐड करेंगे, उसी हिसाब से हम अपने शेयर होल्डर्स के भी शेयर्स ऐड करेंगे, राइट? So you all know this, what is the share value currently? So 1 lakh shares that we want to give to our team by fulfilling of targets. And again, please understand, we are the only company doing this, right? Jio currently has a valuation of more than 5 lakh crores, right? But distributors have no novelties into that, no gain into that. Whereas what we are saying in Global Garner is, whoever is distributing us right now will be real partner in the company. He will be the shareholder of this company, right? So this is right time to grab the opportunity of becoming a shareholder. You see now most of us have become shareholders. Before we were Global Garner Sales Services Private Limited, and I take this opportunity and a privilege to again say this, that today we have become a limited company. In private, first of all, in public sector, this startup, no company is converting themselves into limited. Secondly, no company is also giving the profits. We have already paid our advance taxes, correct? So this is proud moment for all of us. This is the power of coming together. Only few of us, only few, I think 5,000, 7,000 people are there. Only few of us have come together. So we have gathered so much of power. Just imagine the day we all really bring all those 9 lakh UPOSs, all those 36 lakh vendors, we will become something which world will see. How can a real public limited company is made? And each one of us are responsible for the share value now. We perform, our share value will never come down. We don't perform, it will come down. So totally, as an investor, let's say you want to invest some money in some company, you don't have anything to do with the share price. You cannot control that. But in Global Garner, you can control your share price. Why? Because you are the key to that share price. You have to understand that I am Global Garner. My share value will tomorrow become 1 crore because I will keep on working. And what work I need to do, we'll discuss that also. A very small contribution we all have to make. I just said in Kerala's meeting also. In Gujarat we all say, ये हिंदी में बोलूंगा because ये हिंदी में ज्यादा अच्छे समझ में आता है. आप अपने बिजनेस को 1000 दिन खिलाते हो, आपका बिजनेस आपको 1000 दिन खाता है. बल्कि अगर मैं ये बोलूं तो वो ज्यादा अच्छा होगा, बिकॉज वो आपका ब्लड भी सक करेगा, आपका मांस भी सक करेगा. यू इन्वेस्ट इन योर बिजनेस. Once you have crossed 1000 days, now this business will feed you for another 1000 years. Now it's up to you. If you want to say I quit in between, you have lost it. Until unless you don't say I quit, it's not a loss, it's investment, right? Till the time your car is running, it's an investment. The day you say it's a scrap, it becomes a loss. So it's totally up to you how you want to say it, right? Okay. So now, one good thing is already we have clear intention to go for an IPO. So therefore we have already appointed an agency which you would have saw when we signed off. Then now we have already appointed an agency to get into an IPO, all the legal formalities, whatever it is required. We have already appointed CS also and an agency to get into IPO mode. These are some of the examples which I can quote. Infosys investment of 10,000. Today, 3 crores. Wipro. This is the perfect example what I was saying. Today you have 10 shares. Tomorrow, how much multiple it is going to do once we get into an IPO is something which you can get a reference from Wipro. 100 shares at that time are 19 lakh 20,000 shares, sorry, 1 crore 92 lakh shares today. 100 shares in the starting of Wipro. They have been multiplied so many times that today they have become 1 crore 92 lakhs, right? MRF, investment of 11 rupees is today 55,000 rupees. Amazon, one share was $38. Today in split, first of all, the number of shares have increased from 1 to 443 and the value is $31,000. Just imagine. This is, but again I will say, you are only an investor to these companies. You could not control the share price. But in Global Garner, you are the controlling force. You will decide how Global Garner will grow. Because you have to take care of your own pin code. You are the master of Global Garner. You are the Global Garner of your own area. Because Vikas Rawat doesn't know. Today, whatever you are doing in Northeast is you who is doing it. Vikas Rawat has even not come there. You are Vikas Rawat there. Right? So you are real Global Garner for us. Right? So power of coming together. Now let's understand what is the future. What is the future that we can foresee? Our power of coming together is, first of all, India has a domestic spend. इंडिया का जो डोमेस्टिक स्पेंड है, अभी मैं इंडस्ट्रियल और वो सब की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, डोमेस्टिक स्पेंड जिसमें ग्लोबल गार्नर आराम से पेनेट्रेट कर सकता है, विच इज ऑफ 210 लाख करोड़, एंड वी वांट टू कैप्चर ओनली 30% ऑफ इट, राइट? इफ वी कैप्चर ओनली 30% ऑफ इट, वी आर वर्ल्ड्स बिगेस्ट, which would be 63 lakh crore rupees only by capturing 30%. Correct? And we want to have 10,000 shareholders. Once we have 10,000 shareholders, we will be having almost 1 lakh UPOSes, which will bring our share value as per simple multiplication of 10 to 5,000 crores. Whereas without selling 1 lakh UPOSes, currently our share value is much higher. So now you know that once when the share value is defined, there are many other factors also considered, not only the revenue. Your future projections are also considered. Correct? So when we really achieve what we want to achieve, our valuation will not be what we are saying right now. It will be much higher than what we are expecting right now. We are only saying that it is multiple of 10. Whereas it will multiply like anything. Correct? 9 lakh UPOSes, it will be almost 50,000 crores. 60 lakh crore rupees GMV, what we intend to get 30% from this 210 lakh crores. Our valuation will become 60 lakh crore rupee. Even the world's biggest organization currently, which is Apple, has a valuation of 150 lakh crores. So you will become almost 6 times of almost 4 times of what it is right now. What you need to do is small steps, right? The number of share, what is this mean to do now? So when our share value will be 6,000 crore, of course, you know that your 10 shares today worth rupees almost 13 lakh rupees. Once our valuation is 50,000 crores, your 10 shares will worth almost 1 crore. Once our valuation becomes 600 lakh crores, your 10 shares will value 1,200 crores. Few of us, हम में से कुछ लोग सोचेंगे यार ये सपना है. What is the cost of this dream? To conquer telecom market, Jio has taken so much loan, so much investment, so much risk. What is your risk? Your 10 shares have the probability of becoming 1,200 crores in years to come, for which what we need to do in next 6 months, 342 UPOS per ACP. First of all, if I ask for this also, then also it's a very small cost for 1,200 crore rupees. But no, as a ACP, I need to only perform 51 UPOSes. because we need 18,000 ACPs. 18,000 ACPs performing 51 UPOSes will bring 9 lakh UPOS into the system. Then all we need to do is just activate those UPOSes, nothing else. No new UPOS sale, no nothing else. Simple concentration on doing trade. 9 lakh UPOS with average customer base of 300, doing 20,000 rupees transaction will bring 63 lakh crore rupees to us. And 63 lakh rupees turnover is something which will tell the world what real public limited company means. And again, I will say, all these dreams will be fulfilled only we have to decide on it. It is no other person who can decide for this. If I tell to myself that I will do it, I will perform my duty, I will ensure that 51 UPOS happen in my pin code, I will ensure that 200 vendors will come in my pin code, rest everything is taken care of. Because when I will perform, I will also influence others. Today, when Kerala is performing, Tamil Nadu is performing, they are influencing us, no? Karnataka is performing. What Devraj team has done is something extraordinary. They are always number one in doing new things. They are selling franchise also. They are managing franchise also. You see, are they not motivating us? They are. So if I take care of my own responsibility, rest everything is taken care of. Don't wait for others to perform. Okay, वो करेगा तो मैं भी करेगा, वो नहीं करेगा तो मैं भी नहीं करेगा. अरे भाई, this is your money, this is your company. Because once you become the shareholder, now this is your responsibility. Now, Vikas Rawat, I'm telling you, this sugar levels have gone down drastically. It has nothing to do, because today I don't take much of the stress also. My biggest issue before was that I used to take too much of stress. I never used to sleep. I used to sleep only 3-4 hours in 24 hours. Today, doctor has advised me to sleep for 12 hours at least. And I'm doing that. How I'm doing that? Because now I have so many Vikas Rawat who are actually performing across country. We need to just ensure that what is required from us, I do it. Then 100% I will influence my colleague also to do it. Right? So this is one very important point, that global Garner future is in your hand. This 1200 crore rupees is yours. Only all we need to do is just perform our duties. And this is a very small effort that is required. They say ना, वो लोग बोलते हैं ना कि ऊपर के केवल 1% लोगों के पास almost 80% wealth है. You will become that. You will become that. And for which you are not taking risk, for which you are not taking any extraordinary efforts. All you need to do is take a small step every day. If I'm asking, with 10 partners, you have to perform 51 UPOS in next 6 months. What is the performance that I'm asking for? If you have 10 partners, 50 UPOS in next 6 months, which is averagely how many UPOS? 6 UPOS, 1 UPOS in a month from partner, which will bring that glory, that money, that everything to you. Vikas Rawat will not perform for you. Vikas Rawat can only show the way. We have only created the system. Now this system belongs to you. The way you see this system, I have always said, global Garner is as big as you see it. Global Garner is as big as you see it. If you are not seeing anything, it is nothing. If you are seeing value, you will see the value, right? So I think you all know that future, we all know that these are the things that we are starting in future, and we already are initiated that. I think tomorrow you will get another very big news, which will actually blast your imagination, and you will see why we are saying that we are bullish that we will become world's biggest organization. Tomorrow be part of that meeting also, right? So in totality, while building the system, Global Garner is again a company which will earn. Look, while setting up any business, you invest. But Global Garner is different species. While building the business, we are earning. Once we will build the business, we will earn like anything. And this is some assumption which I might be misassuming also. It might be bigger than this. So this is all in our hand. All we need to do is just take control of our own area. If I am an ACP, I take control of my 1 pin code. If I am the CP, I take charge of my ACPs to manage 10 pin codes. If I am the MCP, I take charge of my 100 pin codes. That's it. We don't require any extraordinary superhuman power efforts. We don't require any investment. All I need to do as a common man is go and put what I used to put for other companies. Today, I will do it for my own self. Right? Again, this will surely multiply by 2025 into 10x. Why? Because we will have by that time international operation in place. Right? And by being a shareholder of the parent company, you will be part of this also. Right? So again, as I already told you that if you want to increase the value of the shares, all you need to do is keep on working, right? So thank you very much. This was from my side. Anything that